One benefit of your roommate snoring so loud you only sleep 2 hours a night is you get to wake up to this.